Okay, good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss topic of double integration. As you are familiar with the integration, okay, now we have considering the double integration. And certainly I have discussed a question where we have after slightly changing in the its boundaries and what is the effect of the integration will be discussed now. Here in the first one we have taken I1 is the integration running from -2 to 2, and the second integration is 3x squared to 16 minus x square. Integrand function is 2x square y dy dx. As we have seen that the dy by dx, it represents the order of the integration. First we have to be integrate with respect to y. That means the limit 3x square and 16 minus y square is the limit of y. Now it's simply that we have, when we have integrating with respect to y, then we considering x like in a constant. So here we having integration of y. We are familiar with the integration of y, that is y square by 2 with the upper limit 16 minus x square and the lower limit 3y square. And simply you have put it the limit on simplify and you got the respective value, that is -2 to 2 integration x square and 16 square is 256, and x square whole square is what, x power 4, and 2ab, it's what, -2ab is what, 32 x square, and minus x power 4 is also here. When you have simplified that function and multiplied this x square inside, and you got this value. Okay, but as you've seen that this limit is running from -a to a, and your function is depending on x square, x power 6 and x power 4, which that means total function is an even function. So you have read a property of definite integral. When your limit is running from -a to a, then it becomes twice 0 to a. So I just break it twice of 0 to a. It is simple integration. You are familiar with the formula of x power n, that is x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. On solving that x square integration, you would x cube by 3, x power 6 integration is x power 7 by 7, x power 4 integration is x power 5 by 5. And you put it the limit 2 and 0. When you put it the upper limit 2, you got some value, and whenever you put it 0, you got this value, and finally you got the integration I1 is equals to this one. Now I just slightly change the rest of integration. The integration I2 is what, -2 to 0. As the previous integration is running from, it is running from -2 to 2. Now your integration is running from -2 to 0. And the integration limit of y is what, 3x square, 16 minus x square. It's a dicto similar with the previous one. So I think so there is no need to be calculation of the last part, integration of second integration. So I directly use the result which I have already obtained. And just we have to integrating with respect to x. Simply again we have to integrating with respect to x of x square, x power 6 and x power 4, and we have to put it the limit 0 minus 2. Okay, when you put it 0, you got it as 0, and when you put it the lower limit, that is minus of replacing -2 at the place of x. On simplification, after calculation, you found that it is equivalent to this one. When you compare this I1 and I2, as you found that it's a I1 is a double of I2. So we can say that the integration is first one and the second one is related with such a relation. It is I1 integration is twice of I2. So it's a simple thing, but on that behalf we have understand that how to integrate such type of double integration, as well as there existing such type of relation in these type of integration. If you have plot these curves, you better understand these things, but these things will be later on in our next video. So that's all for today.